787 boy. Man, we back down here with Terry. Man, y'all done heard that name plenty of time, man. Down here at TCR Automotive, man. His name is TCR496 on IG. This the man behind all the suspension and brake work stuff you see. But he can work on anything, don't get me wrong. He can work on anything. But here lately, we've been having a flood of work from these old schools, man. Getting that QA suspension all the way around. Rear end work, you want your gears, your pods put in, man. Really anything you need done, man. It's like a one-stop shop as far as the automotive side. Interior, you had to get that somewhere else. We got the paint man here, swap man in the back. But we down here at the shop. I'm gonna show y'all, I just popped up to get some footage, man. I don't be popping up to bother him. I just need this footage for the channel, man. But he got it looking real good down here. Got to show y'all what we're working with. Now, what y'all looking at now, this is all the old stuff, man. Well, some of the old stuff. The leaf spring. This the part that go over the axle right here. These are the hangers that was in the front that the leaf spring hangs on. Y'all see that? The grinder. You had to grind it off, man, because the original hangers had rivets in them. And man, he told me it was some work, and I can see it on his face, man. He said he been working on this all day. But he doing what he love, man. He love what he do. He took care of him because he know I really wanted the hangers on there, man. So that's why I appreciate these guys down here. He made it happen for me. He could have took other routes and made it and got me a drop, but he went ahead on and did what he needed to do, man, to put all that stuff on there that I bought. This was a brand new wheel. He done went through a whole wheel, man, grinding that stuff off. He told me yesterday, he's like, man, them rivets are a pain in the ass. He said them rivets are a pain in the ass, but my boy got them out, man. Look at the other old leaf spring. And I'm gonna show y'all another part they're gonna make it drop a little bit. So you got 3 leaves in here. 1, 2, 3. And then you got this like this support bar right there at the bottom, right? I'm gonna show y'all the difference when I show you the truck. Yeah, you got it looking good, man. Be right back. We'll be back, man. Y'all see that? Yeah, man. Got them in, man. Look like we got one bolt to put in. But this the difference right here versus that other leaf spring. See, it only has 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And it has the support. So that's a leaf spring taken out. We got the 2-inch drop shackles back here in the back. Y'all disregard all that mud and stuff. Y'all know I'm gonna clean all that up, man. Ain't no more mud, ain't no rust on the hill, man. If you see any rust, it's just surface rust. But we got the 2-inch drop shackles. And the hangers, the 2-inch hangers give you a 2-inch. And by taking that leaf out, that's gonna give me like another half-inch, full-inch, half-inch to an inch. So I'm gonna have like a 4 to 5-inch drop in the back, man. Exactly what I want. You know what I'm saying? Got it looking good, man. Then when you drop it down, that CalTracs gonna show. That CalTracs bar. This is the bar. That's the bar right there. And if y'all don't know, I'm gonna have to explain it to y'all what a CalTracs bar does. The leaf spring, without the CalTracs bar, right? The leaf spring, when you start burning rubber and your axle starts to shift, your axle starts to shift, right? It binds those leaf springs up, and it starts to make an S. It starts to make like an S pattern. That's where you get wheel hop. every time that tire trying to grip the ground and it's jumping, it's because these leaf springs are not stable, right? So what you do with the bar, with the CalTracs bar, you see how it's hooked to the rear end, and then it's hooked up here to the frame. So once you let it down, it keeps the leaf springs from binding up, making that S pattern. It just keeps them stable. Your axle doesn't shift. See, this, it keeps your axle from shifting. You see what I'm saying? Y'all follow me? Leave a comment if you follow what I'm saying. You did what I'm saying, or if you already knew about that, y'all leave a comment for me, man. Yeah, that's what that does. It keeps your axle from shifting, causing your leaf springs to bind up and causing wheel hop. So none of that. I won't have any wheel hop after this, man. I won't have any wheel hop. Man, I appreciate that boy, man. Pain in the ass. He been working on it all day, man. But he knocking it out for me, man. Got that one in. Got that joint in. Y'all see it? Yep. Yeah, but I'm gonna pressure wash all this on the here, man. And I'm gonna flat black it. All this, like I did my Chevy. I'm gonna flat black it. Y'all see the hanger? Y'all see the hangers? Not the hangers. 2-inch drop shackles at the back. Yes, sir. We're gonna have that squat, baby. We're gonna have that squat, man. We got all those bolts in. Just got one bolt to put in on the other side. But yeah. CalTracs. Calvert Racing. Lancaster, California, man. Yep. Gonna be looking good, baby. He get done with this, he's gonna do my front end. You know what I told y'all with the that I gotta change my steering linkage, you know, tie-in rods, center link, outer arm, pitman arm. Gotta change all that stuff out, man. Check them ball joints. And we're gonna do it like this, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna hold y'all too long, man. He said he needed to take him a break. So that's what we gonna do. Let him get back to work, man. I'm finna leave. I just wanted to stop by and get some footage. And taking care of business, man. We down here on the TCR automotive side, man. My boy Terry doing his thing. Y'all can catch him on Instagram at TCR496. At TCR496, man, on IG. We're making progress, baby. 78 Chevy boy. Y'all already know the motto. Stay prayed up. Stay out the way, man. Be blessed. Stay humble. 78 Chevy boy. I'm out. I hope not. See what we got, man. See what we got. See what we got. Ooh, that. Hey. Yeah, that's where I wanted it. That's where I wanted it. That's where I wanted it. Oh, it looks good at my house. Man. Yep. My front ain't bad anymore. Cause I wanted a little squat. I want a little squat. 2-inch drop. They gonna even it out, ain't it? You got it. 2-inch right here. Where the back is? Nah, 2-inch right there. 2-inch drop. It ain't filled all the way. Huh? It probably ain't all the way filled either. The back. Yeah, man. Yeah, I like it. I might go and do it though. You already got them. Yeah, got them out. Them black ones. Yeah. Man, that made a big difference. He told me. Yeah, man, we got her back on the ground, man. Got her back on the ground. Y'all see that drop, man? Got that drop. We estimating, I say 4 to 5. Boy, Terry said he thinks about a 5 to 6. Man, it look good. It's exactly what I want. I'm debating on dropping the front, but y'all know I like a little squat at the back, a tad bit lower than the front. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. What you think I should do. Check it out, man. Got it dropped. 2-inch hangers on the back, 2-inch shackles, and 1 leaf spring out with the CalTracs on the back, man. My boy Terry always come through for me. You can find him on Instagram at TCR496, man. That's my boy Terry inbox. Y'all got any questions? Want to get quotes? Holler at him, man. 78 Chevy boy, TCR Automotive. We out, man. One bad OBS on the way.